Good morning, folks. Well, it's 2 days later since my previous disastrous attempt to work on my motor, which is still on the workbench, by the way. So let's have a look. Here is the motor. It's for this 530 Bernina, and it is reasonably nice and clean now. But as you know, it went horribly wrong. All these wires just keep getting shorter and shorter. They're that old. So I'm going to rewire it a little bit more. And to do that, I need to solder. This is my attempt to set up a little soldering station that I can put away. Because I just spread myself everywhere. I've got, let's go here, dustbin, little extractor, lamp, hands, magic hands, helping hands, whatever. My soldering iron, some flux, my multimeter, some clips, and a whole pile of wires. I stripped an entire 1 meter extension cord, and I have done various types of joints like this, and I've curled up the ends so that I can join them all and make maybe one long wire again, all practicing tinning and soldering. So that is going to hopefully help me when it comes to repairing my vintage sewing machines. And I've got 2 more motors sitting in the queue as well. And in an attempt to be more tidy, well, I have nicked the trolley from downstairs. Kitchen. Sorry, kitchen. I needed it more. So this is going to be where I will keep all of my soldering and tools for my sewing machines. And at the moment, I've got little boxes everywhere. And of course, I have this, which is my favorite thing, is these are so good for keeping sewing equipment in. So mine are full of motor machine spares and parts and pedals and all sorts over that side. And this side, this one is the original one I had, is for all of my threads and a few bits and pieces of notions and other stuff. So yes, I can highly recommend those from IKEA, you know, the big box store. I'm sure you can get some versions in other places as well. But there you go. That is what I'm about to work on. So I'm all set up, ready to go. Wish me luck.